Have you ever tried making an animated video, but your characters look different in every scene? Or maybe the lip sync just feels off? Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that solves all of these problems. In this video, you'll learn how to create 100% consistent characters, animate full scenes, and add perfect lip sync, all using one simple workflow. I'll show you exactly how I transform a basic story idea into a complete animated movie, step by step. This method can save you hours of work and help you create professional quality videos that can grow your channel. All right. To create consistent character animation movies, we are using the Dzine AI platform. Dzine AI is an all-in-one tool where you can create images, videos, consistent characters, lip-sync multiple characters in the same animation, and much more, all in one place. First, go to the Dzine AI website and create a free account. Once you log in, click Create New Project. Give your project a name and choose the correct aspect ratio based on where you plan to upload your video, such as YouTube or Shorts. Now you'll enter the main workspace. On the left sidebar, you can see all the Dzine AI tools. These include tools for creating images, videos, characters, lip sync, and other animation features. Before we start creating animations, we need three important things: a story idea, a full script, and clear prompt. To do this easily, I use ChatGPT. I've already created two master prompts that help you generate full animation stories using ChatGPT. You can find both prompts in our free Discord server. The link is in the description. The first prompt is used to generate story ideas. The second prompt is used to create the full story, scene breakdown, and prompts for images and videos. Let's start with the first prompt. Copy the story idea prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 5 story ideas, each with a short description, target audience, video duration, and other useful details. Take your time to read through them and choose the one you like the most. Next, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt is more detailed, so let me explain how it works. After pasting the prompt, copy the story idea you selected earlier, including its details, and paste it into the marked section of the prompt. If you want to change anything, like video duration, animation style, or pacing, you can edit it right here. Once everything looks good, click Enter. Now, ChatGPT will first ask you to confirm the details you provided. Carefully check everything, and if it's correct, simply type Confirm. After that, ChatGPT will generate a full story overview. This includes the story title, a short description, the number of scenes, how many shots are in each scene, and the total number of characters in the story. Next, ChatGPT will ask if you want to create character design. This step is very important because these descriptions help you create main characters that stay consistent throughout your animation. Type Yes, and ChatGPT will generate detailed character descriptions. These include facial features, clothing, age, personality, and overall appearance. Everything you need to design consistent characters in Dzine AI. Once the story and characters are ready, ChatGPT will ask to create Scene 1. Type Yes, and it will generate all the shots needed for that scene. You'll get a short description of what happens in the scene, shot-by-shot breakdown, image prompts, animation prompts, and character dialogues. These prompts are what you will later use inside Dzine AI to create your visuals. After Scene 1 is finished, simply type Next, and ChatGPT will continue with Scene 2. You can repeat this process until all scenes are complete. All right, now that our prompts are ready, let's start creating the visuals. The first step is to create our characters using the Consistent Character tool in Dzine AI. This is one of the most important steps, because good character training helps your characters stay the same in every scene. First, go to the Character section and click Build Character. You'll see two options here. Choose Training Mode, because it gives higher quality and more consistent results. If you already have images of your character, you can choose Start with Images. But since I only have character descriptions from ChatGPT, I'm going to use Start with Description. Now, enter a character name, then copy the full character description that ChatGPT generated and paste it into the description box. This information tells the AI exactly how your character should look. Next, select the visual style. Dzine AI offers many styles like realistic, anime, 3D, portrait, and more. Since we're creating a 3D animated movie, I'm choosing the 3D style. Once everything looks good, click Generate Character. The AI will now show you character previews. Choose the one you like the most and click Start Training. The training process usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the AI learns how your character should look, so it can stay consistent in future images. Repeat this same process for all the main characters in your story. Once all your characters are trained and ready, we can move on to image generation. Now click Generate Images. Before generating anything, go back to ChatGPT and check the scene detail. Look at scene 1, shot 1, and see which character appears in that shot. In my case, it's the character Jamie, the kid. So in Dzine AI, I select that character. Now we need to describe the character's action and the scene. You can use a simple description or a detailed image prompt. Both work. I like to test both, so I copied the description from ChatGPT and pasted it here. Next, choose the aspect ratio, style, and generation mode, then click Generate. After that, I repeat the same step using the detailed image prompt to compare the results. As you can see, both versions look great, and most importantly, the character stays consistent. Now let's move on to Scene 1, Shot 2. This shot includes 2 characters. To add another character, simply click the plus icon and select the second character. You can add up to 9 characters in a single scene, which is amazing for group shots. Paste the scene description again and click Generate. The result looks great. You can see both characters matching the designs we created earlier. When I try the detailed image prompt from ChatGPT, the result looks even more accurate. So in my case, I prefer the detailed prompt, but you can use whichever style works best for you. You can now continue creating the rest of your scenes and shots by following the same steps. Alright, once all your images are ready, it's time to animate them using Dzine AI's advanced video generator model. To begin, go to Scene 1, Shot 1, select the image, and click AI Video. Now, copy the animation prompt that ChatGPT generated and paste it here. You may notice that the prompt includes character dialogue, but for now, remove the dialogue part. I'll show you how to make characters speak with perfect lip sync in the next step. Next, choose a video model. Dzine AI offers many popular models such as Kling, Hailuo, Veo, Sora, and more. Each model gives a slightly different animation style, so feel free to test them. Select the model you like, choose the video duration, and click Generate. After a few moments, your animated clip will be ready. As you can see, the result already looks really good. Now, let's add character dialogue to this video. For that, click on Lip Sync. Dzine AI will automatically detect and select the character's face. Once the face is selected, click Next. Inside the editor, click Pick a Voice. If you already have a recorded audio file, you can upload it. But if not, use the text-to-speech option. First, select a voice from the list. Then paste the character's dialogue into the text box. Click Generate Audio, and once the audio is ready, add it to the timeline. Now, drag the audio file to the exact part of the timeline where you want the character to speak. When everything is aligned, click Generate. The AI will process the video, and here's the result.
What's he doing in there?
The lip sync is smooth, natural, and perfectly matched to the dialogue. You can repeat the same process for every scene in your story. And if a scene includes dialogue, Dzine AI's lip sync tool makes it easy to animate realistic mouth movements. Even better, if a shot has multiple characters speaking, Dzine AI can handle that too. Just select all the character faces that speak in that scene and click Next. Then create separate audio files for each character's dialogue, place them correctly on the timeline, and click Generate. Here's the result I got.
Here, you can help me with this bike.
Really? Thank you.
And honestly, it looks amazing. What's even better is that Dzine AI lets you upscale your videos and add sound effects, which really improves the overall quality and makes your animation feel more professional. Once all your animation scenes are ready, you can combine them using a video editor like CapCut. Here, make sure to add background music, sound effects, and light filters to give your animation a more cinematic. These small touches really make a big difference in the final result.
What's he doing in there? Wow, he's really good at that.
Who's there?
I want to see how he does that. Hi, can I help?
Well, I suppose you can.
I like fixing bikes too.
Here, you can help me with this bike.
Really?
It's truly impressive how you can create full animated scenes with talking characters using just one platform and a few simple clicks. If you want full access to Dzine AI, you can upgrade to a paid plan starting at $9 per month and save 22% with the yearly plan. I personally recommend the creator plan at around $20 per month, as it gives you access to almost all features. I've left the link in the description so you can check it out. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.